Hello guys! Ngayon video tutorial tayo kung paano mag-send ng USDT on TON from Bitget wallet to OKX exchange. So first, punta tayo ng OKX. Pag nandito na kayo, click nyo tong assets. Click deposit. Deposit crypto. USDT. Select network. It's TON network. Slide to continue. Copy niyo yung address. Then punta kayo ng Bitget wallet. Then click nyo tong wallet. Then send. Send USDT. Ito yung receiving address. I-copy natin kanina. Paste lang natin yan. Amount all. Memo. Copy natin yung memo. Copy. Then paste. Okay. Then confirm. So may gas fee siya guys, no? 0.01 ton, equivalent to 0.0552 USDT. Confirm lang natin yan. Then enter nyo yung pin code nyo. Ayun na guys, transaction approved. Check natin tong okay. Ayan, deposit receive. Ayan, receive natin guys 0.85 USDT. So ganun lang mag-send ng USDT on TON from Bitget wallet to OKX exchange. Follow for more. Thank you.